All right, in this video, I'm gonna show you another great way for you to get leads using Friender. This time, we're gonna target somebody else's friends list. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go find somebody that we know is putting out content and is already attracting the type of people that are our leads. So in this case, we're using Stephen J. Larson. He does offer launch. He's attracting offer owners, people who own an offer. If these people own an offer, it's very likely that they will like to sell more of their offer with Friender. They're very good candidates because they're using Facebook, they follow Steve, they probably have an offer, they're into the type of content he's putting out, which means they're probably entrepreneurs, business owners, affiliate marketers, content creators, course creators, people with offers, offer owners, just the perfect type of customer avatar to buy Friender. So we're gonna get leads from his friends list. We're just gonna click over here on friends. So we're gonna go to the person, we're gonna go find the person on Facebook. I've already came and found my person, Steve Larson. We're going to his friends. Since he has a public friends list, all we gotta do is click here on Friender. We can put any of the filters that we want, and then we just click on Run Friender. Friender again is going to do its job, and it is going to go out here and it's going to find these leads for us. It's going to start adding these leads for us. It's going to look through the profiles and it's going to then go in and start adding these leads for us. It's going to do that based again on our filters. So whatever our filters are, that's what it's actually going to use. So just like that, it's adding the leads for us automatically. It's already found some leads according to our filters. Again, if we come over here and look, we're going to see that those leads are being added. Right now, those leads are getting added to the end because we didn't ask them. We didn't ask them to go to the top. So we got these friends of Steve Larson coming in to Friender right now. So you can see here are those leads. They're friends of Steve Larson. As you can see, his friends are getting added in there. We've already found 32 leads. We're gonna go ahead and stop. That's how we can find leads, just targeting another person's friends list, especially if that person is already doing some form of organic marketing, content marketing, and is loud and busy on Facebook sometimes. People that are your target avatar are following them. It's a great way to go in and just piggyback off of them. We've already piggybacked from a group. We've piggybacked from a post. Now we're piggybacking from somebody's curated friends list.